Today CRISPR news is about genetically modified crops. Chinese peoples may be more averse to genetically modified food than most, but domestic media outlets are hoping to change that following the country's first purposed biosafety approvals for GMO crops in a decade. In a statement, China's Ministry of Agriculture and Rural Affairs said that the soliciting public opinion on a list of 192 genetically modified plant species, including 2 strains of corn and 1 strain of soybean, that are awaiting biosafety certification. The public feedback period will conclude after 15 days. The soybean species SHZD32/01, which is especially suitable for cultivations in southern China, were developed by Shanghai Jiaotong University. The 2 GMO corn species, meanwhile, can be grown in China, colder northern provinces. The DBN9936 corn species were developed by Beijing Biotechnology Co. Ltd. and the double 12/5 species was co-developed by Hangzhou Refeng Biotechnology Co. Ltd. and Zhejiang University. In the days since, several major state-controlled media outlets have published articles explaining the science behind GMOs in the effort to assuage the public sphere. If you want more about this article, I will give the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.